Many parents bring their babies home from the hospital and then notice that they're sneezing a lot, and they're concerned that they're getting sick because you and I, usually when we're sick or have allergies, start to sneeze. But babies sneeze for different reasons. When they're newborn, the only way that they have to clear their little nasal passages is to sneeze and to try to get the extra secretions and the contents of their little nasal passages out. So sneezing is very normal. However, if it's accompanied with any other concerning symptoms, it's best to bring it up with the doctor and they can decide if further investigation or treatment is warranted. If you have any other questions for me, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms and recommend us to your friends and family too.